Hello boys and girls, we are going to be on lesson 7-8. This is on page 407. So if you need to, have a grown-up help you get to this page and then get started. All right, so we're gonna look at these equations and trying to figure out which numbers go in each of these orange blocks, okay? So the first one is 5 take away something equals 2. So think about it, we have 5 and we want to get down to 2. So that's how many we're trying to get to. How many fingers did I have to put down to get to 2? I had to put down 3. I had to put down 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers to get to 2. Now we're gonna try this one. 5 take away something equals 3. So we started with 5. We put down some fingers to get to 3 left over. How many fingers did I have to put down to get to 3? I had to put down 1, 2 fingers to get to 3. Now I'm noticing almost like a pattern. I see 3, 2, and then let's do 1 and 0. So now let's try to figure out what those are. So now it says 3, 2, 1, 0. So 5 take away 1 is how many? 5 take away 1 is 4. Now we have 5 take away 0 is how many? 5 take away none of them is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at, I noticed a pattern here. We went down 3, 2, 1, 0, and the equals went 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. I'm seeing a pattern here. 5 take away 3 equals 2, 5 take away 2 equals 3, 5 take away 1 equals 4, and 5 take away 0 equals 5. Went 3, 2, 1, 0, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Interesting. All right, we're gonna be completing these equations and then we'll try to see if we can find a pattern in this. So we have 4 take away 0. So we start with 4, put 4 fingers out, take away 0. How many are left over? There are 4 left over. 4 take away 0 equals 4. Now we have 4 take away 1 of them. We started with 4, take away 1 is how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I see that pattern again. It goes 0, 1, 4, 3. Now let's just take a guess. What do we think this one would be? Just let's take a guess. We're not gonna write it down, but if it went 4, 3, what do you think this one could be? It could be, if we think of the pattern, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we're right, okay? So we're gonna start with 4, put 4 fingers up, take away 2. So take away 1, 2 fingers. How many are left over? 2 fingers are left over. We were right. 4, 3, 2. Now let's see, what could this one possibly, let's make a guess. What do you think this one could be using the pattern? 4, 3, 2, 1. It could be 1. Let's check and see. So we started with 4, then take away how many? 3. 4, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many are left over? 1. We were right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try to use the patterns on this page. So they drew the pictures for us instead of us using our fingers. So we had 3 take away. How many did we cross off? How many did they cross off? 1 butterfly is how many left over? 1, 2. There are 2 left over. So 3 take away 1 equals 2. Now we have this one. 3 take away, how many did we take away? 1, 2. Take away 2. 3 take away 2 equals how many left over? 1 of them. 1 is left over. So now I'm seeing that pattern again where it's going 1, 2, and what do you think this one could be? Let's just make a guess. If we're following the pattern, 1, 2, 3, and then let's look at this pattern. 2, 1, what could that be? Let's make a guess. 2, 1, we're going backwards. Let's see if you're right. Let's solve this equation. So 3 take away how many? 1, 2, 3. Take away 3 equals how many? How many are left over? How many butterflies are left? None. There are no more butterflies left, so 0. So let's check out that pattern now. We have 1, 2, 3, and 2, 1, 0. Interesting. So there's a pattern. When you take away 1 more, it creates a pattern in your equations. All right, let's try this one. We have 1 take away. How many do you want to take away? Let's take away 1 of them. 1 take away 1 equals how many? 0. There are none left over. 1 take away 1 equals 0. Now how about this one? 1 take away, but this time I'm not going to take any away. So I'm going to take 0 away. 1 take away 0 is how many left over? There's 1 left over. And now we have that pattern again. 1, 0, and 0, 1. All right. Now this page is our independent practice. You're gonna do this by yourself, and I want you to try to make those patterns, okay? So you're gonna do 2 take away. We're gonna start with 2, and that equals what? Now for the next one, you're just gonna take away 1 of them. So 2 take away 1 equals what? And then 2 take away 0 equals what? Try to see if you can find out the pattern for this one. And then this one here, you're gonna try to use those patterns to figure out what this number could be. And if you wanna double check what the number is, you can always use your fingers or draw a picture, okay? And then try it with this one also. See if you can figure out the pattern. All right, go ahead and try those out. This is the only page you need to post onto Seesaw.